Sir, if we create absorption of supply scenario which can give some directional movement, will it be appropriate to go long in future and hedge it by buying put, or just create plain bullish debit spread? See, trading absorption of supply is a little difficult, but not entirely impossible. So let's say this is that scenario, and now that we have also given some sort of inventory adjustment break, let's say prices recover and close near the highs. These are the scenarios where you can expect a breakout and you can create a bullish debit spread. Now again, same thing, buying a future and hedging with put. I'm not a big fan of this strategy. Instead, I would use this, and preferably what I will do is, if I am confident that market is going up, directional bias is up, I will establish a bullish credit spread. I will make sure that if market stays above a certain reference, I make some money, and this money I can leverage to establish a debit spread. So that is how I would play it, a catapult trade, because then it, even if like market stays above a certain reference, the worst that can happen is you will end up being break even. But if it actually breaks out, so both your credit spread and debit spread both work, then you make much more returns than what is expected normally. So that is how I would play it.